Today, you will learn how to delete all images in a Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Open the Word file that contains images. Make sure you can see the pictures, charts, or graphics you want to remove. At the top of Word, click on Home tab. Look at the right side, click Replace. This opens the Find and Replace window. Click inside the Find What box. Type "G". This is a special word code that means find all graphics in the document. Graphics include pictures, icons, charts, smart art, shapes, etc. Alternative method is click More, Special, Graphic. Word will automatically enter "G" for you. Now, leave the Replace With box completely empty. Then click Replace All. Instantly, all images and graphics disappear from your document. One important note is, this method will also remove charts, graphs, smart art, shapes, icons, because Word treats all of them as graphics. Undo if you made a mistake. Just press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac, and everything comes back. If this tip saved your time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful and beginner-friendly Microsoft Word tricks. See you in the next tutorial.